TOLEAH sis, period. Hi everybody, your girl is back. Okay, your girl is back. Welcome back to ToleahTV. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage in the beginning. I'm trying to do a lot of new things with the channel, but still be authentically and genuinely me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I have so many new subscribers. I can't take it. Like, God is good. So if you're here for the first time, I'm TOLEAH. Welcome to the channel. If you clicked on for the first time, please subscribe. If there's anything in this video that inspires you or that you like, subscribe. I dropped Jalen off, as you saw, got coffee, did my morning walk. I'm back home. I'm about to make a breakfast sandwich for my husband and my son. I'm gonna boil me some eggs and eat a little toast. Yeah, because I just want the egg whites. I don't want the yolks, okay? And I need to eat quickly. It's 10:45. I need to be gone at about 11:15. I think I can do it because I need to take my iron pills and my supplements. Because your girl is very anemic, okay? She anemic. I also have some water. I had my ice already, as you guys saw. And I'm going to make some bacon, but I'm putting her in the air fryer, honey. I'm too cute, okay? I'm not about to deal with no bacon on the stove and have all that up in. Okay? And that's that. I want to update you guys on some things. First of all, life has been lifing, okay? God is good. Okay? God is great, actually. Secondly, I have a ton of new subscribers on YouTube, Instagram. I'm almost to 20,000 followers, and that just boggles the mind. But I'm very happy about it. I just thank God for it. After I'm done doing this, I'm gonna meet up with my husband. We're gonna have lunch together, and then I'm gonna go work. And you guys probably will see me again this evening when I'm cooking dinner and Jalen's home and all those things. We have a lot of content coming up. Fall is one of my favorite seasons of the year. Not to mention September is your girl's birthday month. Okay? Period. Okay? My twin sister and I will be years old. We'll be 48 on the 18th of September. But do she look it? Do she look it, I say. But I have so much cooking to do, so much fall content. I wasn't sure if I was going to do a fall decorate with me in this video. I don't think I will. That's probably going to be in the next vlog. We got some things coming up. I've been walking around without my fingernails. Y'all know I love my press-on nails. I have not been to the nail salon in 2 years because it's just pointless at this point. If you know, then you know. But if you don't know, I like to wear kiss nails. My favorite nails. I have the Bare But Better kiss nails, and these are sculpted. I usually like the coffin nail, but this will suffice. These are long enough, especially with all my cooking and everything. I begin to work out again because when your girl gets stressed, your girl eat. Okay? And y'all probably like, oh, I mean, you cook, of course you eat. No, no, no. I don't really eat food like the things y'all see me cook. I test. I take a little test, taste, whatever, and I eat a little bit and go on by my business. But I'm a snacker, and when life begins to life, I begin to eat things I'm not supposed to. So we're changing up things gradually. I begin to work out again and things like that. I'm a little bit self-conscious about, you know, my back and, you know, unbigging it. You know, my back is giving bell pepper. Okay, it's giving bell pepper. So we have to get rid of that. I digress. So let me get this done. I am really in a rush. So let's get breakfast done, and then when that's done, I will pick you guys back up. I don't know when I'll pick you back up, but I'll pick you up. Okay. Period. All right, y'all, we are back home. We are back home, and it's 3:46. I'm gonna make me an iced coffee. And of course, I got my caramel vanilla creamer. This is her glass she's using. I have to run to Kroger and get another pack of ground chuck. I have a pack of ground chuck from Kroger. I've kept it too long. And I am not throwing that out and buying another one. We are gonna swap that out, okay? That ground chuck is expensive. I'm making meatloaf, garlic mashed potatoes, and green beans for dinner. And it might be a reel or a short, because I've had people on Instagram ask me for my meatloaf recipe. We might go on ahead and give them that recipe. I don't know. But for right now, I wanted something a little sweet. Salted caramel apple cookies. TheBomb.com. Really good, okay? I'm going to bake all of those, because those are going to be for dessert tonight. Because I bought ice cream yesterday. So if they want ice cream and cookies after dinner, they're more than welcome to it. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm about to get some ice for this iced coffee. I also have to get me some caramel for my iced coffee. I'm out. All she wants is iced coffee. That's all she wants. She don't bother nobody. She just wants her iced coffee long. As usual, glass straw. And at some point, I'm going to put my fingernails on. Woo, that's good. That is so good. Okay, we about to make these cookies. Alright, y'all, it is a lot later. It's a little bit after 8. It's a lot later. I've just put the meatloaf in the oven. I didn't show myself cooking because I'm filming a short. I'm going to show y'all the final product. In the meantime, in between time, the kitchen is a mess. I'm going to rectify that. But I have to put a glove on because I cut my fingers so bad. I had just sharpened my knife and I was trying to open the onions in the refrigerator and cut my finger. It went in there pretty deep, like I could feel my heartbeat in it. So my daughter Chastity, as usual, she came and rescued her mama and put the ointment on and bandaged me up and stuff. So let me clean the kitchen up, and then once everything is complete, I'll give y'all the money shot. Period. So y'all, it's the next day. I think we stopped when I was in the kitchen making cookies. I did make the meatloaf. They killed it. They killed the girl. that meatloaf didn't stand a chance, okay? So what I did today was I made another meatloaf the earlier part of the day. I've been going through all my fall decor, and I really don't have a lot of fall decor. I have totes full of Christmas stuff, Halloween stuff, and not much fall stuff. I'm gonna stop at Dollar Tree because my daughter was telling me, Chastity was telling me that Dollar Tree has a lot of cute fall things. And I'm not trying to like break the bank to decorate, because we're gonna take that stuff down and move on to the next season or holiday or whatever. Let's go and see what we can get into.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. And bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart.
All right, everyone, we just got back from the dollar store, Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree, if you will. And I only got a few things to put with what I already have, and I'm going to show you what I already have in a minute. I got these strawberry flavored candies. We used to have these when we were kids. I'm going to put those in my candy jar. My husband picked up the Werther's caramel apple. I have some fall cups that says fall blessings. Some baking cups. I'm going to make some cupcakes at some point. I have some fabric looking pumpkins, and these right here, they feel like hard foam that's painted over, but they'll suffice, okay? They fit the bill. I wanted to put a pop of color in there. So these are the colors that I have there, but I just wanted to add a little pop of color. This right here, Fall Blessings, is going to go on the back of the door. I got this right here that says blessed with the pumpkins and the fall leaves. I love that. And then I got this little mat here that says blessed and thankful, because your girl is. I'm thankful, I'm blessed all the way around, sis. So I wanted to incorporate that in the decor. But let me show you guys what I do have. So this is the decor I already had from last year. It is not a lot at all. I have these ceramic pumpkins that I really like. These bigger ones, I think I also got these from Dollar Tree last year. I have blessed. I have another one like this. It's white. I don't know where it's at. I think it said thankful. I don't know where it's at. I have the scarecrow, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything with the scarecrow. I don't think I'm going to put this up. I think there's something Chastity bought, but I don't remember buying a scarecrow. But if we could find use for it, we will. I also have Hello Pumpkin, Hello Fall. It's like a little stand. And I have this harvest sign with the dangling pumpkin. This is a table runner right here. That's a table runner from last year as well. I also have my cookie jar here that I bought from Dollar General last year. Love that. And then I have pillow covers for my living room. Grateful. This one says autumn. I have this pillow cover and this one here with the pumpkins on it. So I'm gonna see what I can do with what I have. It's not gonna be too frou-frou. It's just gonna, when you walk in the crib, it's just gonna say, hey, it's fall. So that's all it's pretty much doing. I also have a this is a Glade fall candle. It's autumn spiced apple. It smells It smells too good. It smells good, like you can eat it. It smells really good, like deliciously good. I'm thinking the next vlog is gonna be a fall clean and decorate with me, because the house, the crib, okay, it's okay. So this probably gonna be the next vlog. I apologize if this vlog has been all over the place. I really haven't been doing anything, but I did want it to come back on because I miss you guys, and you know, we gotta open up fall season, honey, the right way. Also, I didn't get a chance to show y'all the mashed potatoes and the meatloaf. So let me show y'all the one I made today. This is the meatloaf and the garlic mashed potatoes. But there it is right there. It's really good. This is for my son Christopher. He's about to eat. All right, y'all. So that is a representation of last night's meal. Okay. We're gonna go ahead on and close the vlog out. It is late. We got to keep this fall content coming. Okay. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you, me, Lady T, in the next one. Bye, guys.